Build your full grow ecosystem, all under one intelligent controller. iControl brings harmony to your grow lights, fans, sensors, and smart plugs. This is the Mars Hydro iControl, the brain of your grow system. Unbox the future of smart indoor cultivation, ready to go out of the box. Featuring a responsive touchscreen and physical control buttons, iControl offers seamless user interaction for all growers. Multi-channel RJ 12-port supports synchronized control of lights, fans, and accessories. Quickly navigate through all functions. Monitor your environment in real time, control lights, fans, and other devices, and personalize your system settings, all at your fingertips. Pair with the Mars Hydro app to control your grow remotely. Monitor sensor data, adjust settings, and operate devices anytime, anywhere. Adjust brightness manually or by schedule for seamless lighting control. Control clip fan runtime and speed via controller or the app. With threshold settings, inline fans start automatically for climate regulation. Comes with a built-in temperature and humidity probe for accurate monitoring. Take your control even further with our smart sensor kit, including PPFD, CO2, and soil moisture probes for advanced environmental feedback.